In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and share documents in HubSpot. We'll walk through how to add a file to your HubSpot documents library and generate a shareable, trackable link for a specific recipient. This process is great for sharing proposals, one-pagers, or slide decks while keeping an eye on who views them and when. Make sure you're signed in with access to the sales tools and the documents feature before you begin. From your HubSpot dashboard, start by opening the sales section in the main navigation. This is where HubSpot keeps tools that support outreach and deal management, and it's also where your documents library lives. Once you're in sales, choose Documents to open your document library. You'll see a list of previously uploaded files, along with options to organize and manage them. If your library is empty, that's fine. We'll add your first file now. Click Upload Document to begin. A prompt will appear asking where your file is coming from. Select your computer to browse your local files, then pick the file you want to share, commonly a PDF, PowerPoint, or similar asset. Give the upload a moment to process. If the file is large, a brief wait is normal. A quick tip here: use a clear, descriptive file name so you can find it easily later. Once the upload finishes and your document appears in the list, locate it and open the Actions menu next to the file. This menu gives you controls for the document, including sharing options. Choose Create Link to generate a trackable sharing link. HubSpot will now prompt you to enter an email address. Type the recipient's email address here. This doesn't automatically send an email on your behalf. It simply tags the link. So engagement, like opens and views, can be attributed to that specific contact. That way, when the person clicks through, you'll see accurate activity in your records. After entering the email address, click Create Link to finalize it. HubSpot will produce a unique URL that you can copy and paste into your own email, chat, or calendar invite. Share it however you prefer. When the recipient opens the link, HubSpot can track interactions, which helps you prioritize follow-ups and tailor your next conversation based on what they viewed. That's the entire flow. Go to Sales, open Documents, upload your file from your computer, use Actions to create a link, add the recipient's email for tracking, and confirm to generate the link. With this approach, your content stays centralized and your sharing stays measurable.